Today I'll be giving a tutorial on Class Dojo. Class Dojo is a classroom management site that will help you build positive behavior in your classroom. First, you will log into Class Dojo by going to www.classdojo.com. Once you're at the site, you will see a blue box that says sign up as a teacher, parent, or student. Click the box. You will click the pink heart for teacher. Here you will put in your name and your email and password. Your password should be sensitive. You do not want your students to get a hold of that. And I would also encourage that you use your school email address because you can use Class Dojo as part of a parent portal. I'm already a member of Class Dojo, so I'm going to simply log in. Here you will see your profile page. You could add a photo of yourself by clicking here. You could also join your school by clicking here. If your school uses Class Dojo as a behavior management tool as a school-wide program, you could click here and it will tell you to type in the name of your school. My school does not use this as a behavior management tool, so I would just use it as a classroom management tool for myself. So here you could edit the profile. On this page, you could add a picture again. You could also change your title, your first name or last name. You could also change your email address, your password. You could also change your language preference and the time zones. Click the blue button, Save Changes. There's also an option where you can have a demo class. This will help you get used to the site yourself. Here are some mock students. Some of them have already received points and some of them have already lost points. Classroom Dojo will allow teachers to reward positive behavior and also give consequences for negative behavior. The rewards are in green. The negative behaviors are in red with a negative sign. It is recommended that you give 6 positive rewards to every 1 negative reward. So here you could reset the bubbles. So if you wanted to start your class over from scratch, you could hit reset bubbles. You could select all or you could select none. Here I'm going to select all because I start my class off at the beginning of the week. I'm going to hit reset bubbles down here in the bottom. If you make a mistake, you could also hit cancel. This takes all of their scores back to 0. If you would like to award multiple students, you could do that as well. You could select individual students, or you could select all and then give award. I would like to give a positive reward for teamwork. So I'll click teamwork and you'll see that 6 students got 1 point for teamwork. If I would like to give individual awards, I could click on the individual student and give a positive award or a needs work award. For example, let's say Brad Pitt did not do his homework. I could give him a no homework award and he lost a point. If I wanted to give Hugh Jackman a point for helping others, and now you'll see that he has 2 points. You can also undo if you made a mistake, and you see here that it took away one of Hugh Jackman's points. There's also a timer setting on this screen. Here you could start a timer where it will count up, or you can reset and do a countdown timer. The preset is 5 minutes, but you can change it. You can push set and then start. You can also record attendance. You can mark all present, you can mark all absent, or you can individually go in and mark students absent. And always remember to click the save button in the right corner. So let's go back to the home screen. Here you will see a blue box that says add your first class. This is what you'll want to do to start your class. You can pick an icon for your class. There are several to choose from. I'm going to choose the globe. And I'm going to give my class a name. And I'm going to say Miss Warner's Superstars. And I'm going to click a year. And my grade is first grade. Create my class will get you to the next screen. Here you will add your students. I'm going to have a student named John Smith. And you're going to hit the enter button to add. I have another student named Nancy Fish. And Susan Thomas. You can also use a setting that says import from roster. If you have a class roster at another location, you can do that here. And you can also copy and paste students as well from a Word document or Excel or something of that sort. Here you will click next to move on. Here you will choose the behaviors that you would like to reward: helping others, on task, participating, persistence, teamwork, or hard work. I would like to add the box homework. If you would like to change the weight from 1 point, which is the standard, you can change homework to being from 1 to 5 points. And you can do this with any of your awards. And you click save. If you would like to add more, you can do so there. Here you could change your needs work behaviors. You can also click to edit the title. So if you didn't want to use the name bullying, you could use aggressive behavior here by changing it in the box. And click save. And you can also import behaviors from another class if you have another class set up. Always remember to click save changes or next. Here you can connect with home. You can use this as a parent portal. You can connect with parents. Here it will have you download a code to set up your classroom. Your parents will be able to put this code in and look at their child's behavior. And it says, I am ready to give my first Dojo awards. Click on your section of your class. You can do the same things here that we did with our demo class. You can also use Class Dojo to create reports. You can use these reports as behavior management tools. You can use this to show a parent consistent behaviors, or as a parent conference tool to express concerns. Here you can see the behaviors of a particular student, or you can check as a whole class. You can also change the date of the week. You can add different ranges to choose a specific day if you would like to track the behaviors over a past month or all times. You can also print these by clicking here. You can also send messages. You can do a whole broadcast by sending the invite to your parents and allowing them to use this as your parent portal. If you send home the reports, you can say, I sent home your hard copy of behavior report. And then you could send. Being that I'm not set up with the parent portal, it will not let me send this report right now. If you need to change something, you can edit your class. And this is a brief setup for Class Dojo. Now what I would like you to do is I would like you to set up your Class Dojo, and I would like you to attempt to do this for at least 2 weeks. After you are finished, I would like you to give me an invite to your class, and so I can check your reports to see how it went. Please keep in mind that this will not change behavior over in one day. It will take a period of time to do so. And this is just a tool for behavior management. It is not a quick fix. If you have any questions, please email me at warnerk@dcpsmd.org.